PARTNERS+simons is a great marketing partner. We really start with the end in mind, and that means putting in the right measurement metrics. That may be a discussion about how do we truly define success? What do we really need to achieve? And once that's in place, then we have the right mix of the strong creative, and that we can mix that with the non-traditional emerging communication tools. My name is Michelle Boudreau, and I'm a Senior Brand Director here at PARTNERS+simons, and my area of focus is life sciences and healthcare. And within PARTNERS+simons, I am focused on the Agilent Technologies account, a multi-billion-dollar company focused on chemical analysis and life science, so crossing industries such as the petroleum industry through food safety, pharmaceutical, and drug discovery. My career has been exclusively focused in life sciences and healthcare, starting on the client side, doing some marketing to diagnostic companies and medical device manufacturers with microporous membranes. I've had a wide variety of clients and experiences in diagnostics with Bayer Diagnostics, with devices, with Boston Scientific's cardiovascular group, their oncology group, and in the life sciences world, working with Corning Life Sciences and Millipore Corporation. In a global world with the web bringing everybody closer together, you need that consistency in message and look, but you also need to have the relevance within individual regions, countries. And how do you find that balance? How do you maintain the consistency in message and ensuring that your marketing materials are supporting the business objectives of the organization as a whole, but that they are relevant and are useful tools for the in-country sales team? And by useful, I mean, are they using them? Make sure that they're not just sitting in a warehouse and you've wasted money on the investment in the piece. That the messaging is clear and easy for the sales rep to use, so that they're on message and they're supporting the strategy. And also that it gets them excited to support the product and about their job. Another challenge in the life sciences world, and this also crosses over into the medical communities as well, is the fact that we're communicating to more audiences now, where a market is becoming more mature and the cost pressures are increasing. The economic buyer is playing a greater role. So how do you message to the end user who is most concerned about the science, the credibility, the reliability, versus the economic buyer that wants to understand that they're getting value for their purchase and that purchase is going to be a good purchase over time. Another challenge is just the fact that this audience perceives themselves, and rightfully so, on a completely rational basis. Everything should be fact-driven, number-based, proven. But a big part of successful marketing and marketing communications is establishing that emotional driver. That's what research has consistently shown drives change. I've gained a tremendous amount of satisfaction in my career working with healthcare and life science companies because I personally enjoy keeping up with the science, keeping up with the latest technologies in healthcare, but also working with companies to ensure that that is adopted and utilized fully in the marketplace to further advance healthcare and sciences. So it's that mix of the rational and the emotional, very much like our end users.